Hello guys, good afternoon. Today I'm in Croydon and it's like a few days after the lockdown. So I just decided that I will show you how the main strip look like, the shopping center. Most of the shops are open now, so I just decided to show you around. Just to give you like a small walking tour to show you how all the shops looks like, all the people looks like, what is going on here in Croydon in South London. Yes, so that's how it looks like at the moment. Most of the shops are open, the closed shops, and yeah, the closed shops are open from the Monday the 12th of April. They got open. Most of the pubs are open, but just for sitting outside. So let's just have a look. This is like the main street of shops.
And I bought us some clothes today, so what I'll do when you're there, I'll just run and buy you.
Some clothes shops are open now. Stylish shop. This shop looks quite good. I may go there next time to get something. That looks quite good. Yeah. McDonald's here. Not too long ago I saw a big queue in front of McDonald's. This is the Central shopping center. Office, that is shop for shoes. Next is there. Yes, lots of shops are open now. Deichmann. Food Locker. H&M. All the clothes shops are now open. There's even some casinos open. It looks quite busy. I think everybody was fed up of being at home and everybody really wanted to come out and enjoy their shopping. Food Asylum, JD shops, Carrie's PC World, Vodafone shop. There's like 2 shops what doesn't have no use to let. So some of the shops are not really open. They seems like they shut down since the situation happened, you know, but most of the shops are back in use. Yeah, well, sometimes you can see a few strange people around as well, but other than that it's alright. And everything is open. Greg's tree shop. There is some lady calling everybody out. Come to our shop. We need to make money now. This is the famous Bit Gift Center. What's supposed to be Westfield. This is the Central shopping center. So this is the Central. Some bank is open. a big queue to the bank. Everybody's just being late, going late. If people go early in the morning, then I guess there would be not much queue. And yeah, so this is the end of the queue for the bank. But now we go into next outlet. So yes, that seems there is no queue really at next. But as I'm looking towards the Primark, it seems like there is a big queue for the Primark. I think loads of people love Primark, that's why. Some cheap clothes. Baby crying. Baby crying is hungry. So this is for the Primark, the queue. Loads and loads of people in the queue, but it seems like it's going fast. There, what is going on here? Jesus is the answer. This is some church people here preaching about Jesus, and it seems like we're getting to the end of the strip. This is the Barclays Bank. Not really big queue at the moment. Usually it's a quite big queue. Yes, so that's what I showed you now. The main strip in Croydon, what is going on here, and yeah, that's about it. This is my video of showing you around Croydon, just a small tour, just to show you what shops are open at the moment. Okay, take care and see you in the next video.